The countdown is on for SpaceX's second Starship launch, and it's not just a mission, it's a leap forward in our journey to the cosmos. But how long would it realistically take to hit the skies again? That's the burning question on everyone's minds, but today we have the answer for you. In this video, we will find out the key milestones and challenges SpaceX must conquer to make the second Starship launch a reality. Join us on this journey as we explore the intricacies of space travel and unveil the exciting path that lies ahead. Let's get started. The FAA approval. The FAA recently completed a safety review of SpaceX's launch facility in South Texas, which is located near Boca Chica Beach. This review holds importance for SpaceX as it moves forward in its efforts to launch the Starship spacecraft and has significant implications for both the company and the surrounding environment as well. The FAA announced on October 31st that it had successfully concluded the safety review portion of the SpaceX Starship Super Heavy license evaluation. The focus of the safety review was primarily on matters that directly impact health and property safety. It included an assessment of safety system processes, flight safety analysis, and quantitative risk criteria related to launch, re-entry, and vehicle disposal. In September of the FAA identified 63 actions that needed to be addressed by SpaceX before they could resume their launch activities. The issuance of these actions marked the conclusion of the investigation into the mishap that occurred in April. While the safety review has been completed, the FAA is still in the process of conducting a review to assess how SpaceX's operations may impact the surrounding ecosystem. The FAA is collaborating with agencies including the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, which is conducting a biological assessment under the Endangered Species Act. The Boca Chica area is home to endangered species like piping plovers, red-knot birds, and endangered sea turtles, so considering the environment is crucial. Apart from the FAA review, SpaceX has submitted a request to discharge 200,000 gallons of treated wastewater into South Bay, which is a protected coastal preserve near Starbase. This request comes as part of their growth and expansion in the area and has been presented to the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality for consideration. The public has an opportunity to comment on this matter until November 7th. The discharge of treated wastewater into the South Bay has raised concerns due to its proximity to habitats where newborn dolphins and other sensitive species reside. Environmental groups like Save RGV are actively opposing this discharge because they believe it could potentially harm both the saline waterway and wildlife in its surrounding areas. The future launch operations of SpaceX in South Texas heavily rely on the safety review conducted by the FAA and the ongoing environmental assessment. The approval of these procedures is crucial as it ensures the well-being but also safeguards the local ecosystem and wildlife. The stage after the FAA approval is pretty much set, but what has SpaceX changed and how are their pre-launch preparations? Let's find out! Pre-launch preparation. After completing a wet dress rehearsal for Ship 25 and Booster 9, the company has been gearing up for its next significant step in space exploration. Here's a look at their recent pre-launch activities and site improvements. On October 17th, SpaceX temporarily destacked the Ship 25 from Booster 9 due to issues between the ship and booster. However, on October 20th, after troubleshooting, the two were restacked and prepared for a wet dress rehearsal. During the wet dress rehearsal, SpaceX loaded the full stack with liquid nitrogen and liquid oxygen on a rare Sunday test. This allowed for testing various subsystems including the ship engine chill down, grid fins, reaction control system, thrusters, booster engine purge, Fire-X system, and the water deluge. Notably, this marked the first time SpaceX tested this water deluge with new tank installed, resulting in a noticeably larger and slightly longer duration of the deluge. On October 24th, SpaceX conducted a full wet dress rehearsal on Ship 25 and Booster 9, loading the stack with nearly 5,000 tons of LOX and liquid methane. The full stack was run through the complete launch countdown, stopping just before the activation of the Fire-X, which turns on just seconds before engine startup. With full stack testing completed, SpaceX is currently awaiting the final regulatory approval, which involves the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services review. Subsequently, the Federal Aviation Administration will grant the final sign-off for the upcoming test flight. Following the successful testing phase, SpaceX once again destacked Ship 25 on October 26th. It was followed by the removal of the hot staging ring the following day. Ship 25 now ties with the Ship 24 for the most stacks and restacks, with this being the final restack until the regulatory approval and the arming of the flight termination system. Additionally, on October 20th, Ship 26 completed a single-engine static fire, simulating a deorbit burn. The launch site LR-1100 was rolled over to Ship 26 and it was connected to the ship. Afterward, Ship 26 was transported back to the production site. SpaceX also relocated the Human Landing System prototype Noscone, although its exact purpose remains unclear. Meanwhile, work continues on the new Star Factory at the production site, with progress on the roof and preparations for the next phase underway. Notably, the solar farm in Boca Chica village has been removed since the production site now relies on local power. The foundations have been laid for new houses to accommodate SpaceX workers. Over at Massey's Booster 11, cryogenic proof tests have been conducted with the booster thrust ram stand, and several test tanks are in place, including the new elliptical dome test tank. Additionally, SpaceX is continuously improving and adapting the launch site with the addition of a new parking lot and pipe stands for new tanks. SpaceX's South Texas launch facility, Starbase, is a hub for constant change and improvement as the company advances its capabilities for future space missions. If you have enjoyed what we have presented so far, please make sure to subscribe and give us a like. Now that we know about the preparation, let's find out about the Boca Chica site upgrades. The Boca Chica launch site, situated on the Texas Gulf Coast, holds paramount importance in SpaceX's Starship program. Its strategic location near the Gulf of Mexico allows for polar orbit launches and rapid access to various orbital inclinations, while its remote location minimizes risks to populated areas during tests and launches. SpaceX has been actively upgrading the site, enhancing launch pads, fuel storage, transport infrastructure, and testing centers. These improvements offer scalability, rapid turnaround, safety, and versatility, making Boca Chica an ideal hub for the assembly, testing, and launch of the colossal Starship spacecraft. Visual aids and footage of these upgrades are frequently shared, providing an immersive look into SpaceX's transformation and the efforts it takes at this key launch site, ultimately propelling the company closer to its interplanetary exploration goals. Almost everything is said, but what does Elon Musk think about the program itself? In recent statements, Elon Musk has expressed his unwavering optimism about the Starship program and its transformative potential in the realm of space travel. On November 7, 2023, Musk took to Twitter to announce that SpaceX is diligently aiming for the first orbital launch of Starship in December of 2023. This ambitious timeline underlines his confidence in the project's rapid progression. Further cementing his confidence in the program, on November 9, 2023, Musk delivered a presentation at the SpaceX Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. During this event, he discussed the latest advancements in the Starship program, notably highlighting the remarkable headway made in developing the Starship heat shield. Musk's assurance that Starship will withstand the extreme temperatures of re-entry demonstrates his unwavering commitment to the project's success. Moreover, Musk revealed SpaceX's commitment to innovation and manufacturing techniques geared towards increasing efficiency and cost-effectiveness in producing the Starship. With a bold target of achieving a production rate of 100 Starships annually by 2025, his aspirations for the program are indeed ambitious. Musk's recent remarks reflect his unwavering belief in the Starship program's potential to revolutionize space travel, reaffirming his dedication to realizing his vision of the future of human exploration beyond our planet. As SpaceX's Starship program continues to accelerate, there is much to look forward to shortly. With the first orbital launch of Starship targeted for December of 2023, viewers can anticipate witnessing a monumental moment in the history of SpaceX exploration. This launch promises to showcase the incredible capabilities of Starship and its potential to revolutionize how we access space. In this mission, SpaceX aims to achieve critical milestones, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space travel. From testing the Starship's ability to withstand the searing heat of re-entry to demonstrating advanced manufacturing techniques, this launch is poised to mark a significant step towards the future of interplanetary travel. We invite you to stay tuned and follow the progress of the Starship program as it unfolds. Be sure to watch the launch live to witness the dawn of a new era in space exploration. Subscribe to our channel for future updates and join us as we embark on this exciting journey into the cosmos. Don't miss out on the latest developments. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed about the future of space travel.